Here is the new Ultralight food hanging system by Selkirk Design. Let's check it out. Selkirk Design's pulley system creates a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage, meaning half the pulling force to raise your food and gear. That means 30 pounds of food and gear equals 15 pounds of pulling force. The system includes a 1 9-liter dry sack, 1 rock sock, 2 carabiners, 2 ropes, instructions. Total weight is 6.5 ounces. Alright, let's see what's inside. There's a thank you letter. Thank you so much for your purchase. Please enjoy the rock sock and sticker as our appreciation. Here is the rock sock sticker. Here's the food bag. Here's the rock sock, carabiners, and rope on the inside. So here's the food bag, the 2 carabiners, the rock sock, and there are 2 ropes. One is orange, one is green. And here are your instructions for you to utilize both the orange and the green. Step 1, put the rocks in the rock sock and attach the carabiner. There we go. Easy enough. Step 2. Attach the end loop of the green rope to the first carabiner. Toss the rock sock over 12 to 15 feet high tree branch, 4 feet or more from the tree trunk. Step 3. Disconnect the rock sock and store away. Step 4. Attach the end loop of the orange rope to the first carabiner. Bring rope through carabiner 6 to 8 inches to create a large loophole. Step 5. Attach the second carabiner to the large loophole. Create a pulley system by holding the second carabiner in place while pulling down the green rope to hoist the first carabiner up towards the branch. Tie the green rope to the nearest branch. Step 6. Attach food bag to the second carabiner, then pull orange rope to raise the food bag. There we go. Pull the orange rope. Step 7. Secure the orange rope to a tree or a branch. Food is now secured high up in the air and safe from predators. So overall, what are my thoughts on this? It's pretty neat. I really like the rock sock. Food bag's pretty light. It is a little thin. I don't know if it's gonna hold up to some wear and tear. The pulley system with the 2 ropes it's a neat idea, but I don't know if it's gonna work out in the woods on an overnight trip or not. I'm gonna try it. I'll give it a chance. It's not that complicated, but I mean, it's not just throw the rope over the tree and pull. It's a little more advanced than that. We'll see how it works. I got this on Kickstarter as a part of a pre-order. Picked it up for about around $30. I think it's a little bit more than that if you try to order one now, but for the price you can't go wrong. I mean, just a food bag's gonna cost you that most of the time nowadays. It just comes with 2 ropes, it comes with a rock sock, 2 carabiners, and overall it's a pretty good deal. So man, if you're thinking about checking this thing out, go for it. I'd say if you don't like the pulley system, at least you got a food bag and a rock sock and a couple of carabiners and some ropes, so you know you're good to go. You can't go wrong with it.